Let me show you how I made $700 trading gold. All right, y'all. So today is August 6th, Thursday, August 6th, and I ended the day in profit. Today was honestly a little bit of a struggle. I think my first two trades had me like at negative 160. And I was like, okay, let me just stay patient and wait for my setup. I ended up making it back. I took 9 trades in total, which is, it's kind of a lot. I like to stay under 5, but I had to get my kid back. And I saw the perfect opportunity, so I took it. So yeah, I'm gonna break down everything. I'm gonna pick out like the main losing trade and then the main winning trade. So very proud of today. I'm really close to passing the combine, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to take it easy because, you know, once you get close to passing, it like to start your brain, I don't know, something with the brain chemistry. But yeah, let's get into the breakdown. So my total profit for today was $716. My best trade was for $646 and my worst was for $152, which we're about to go over now. So starting off with my worst trade, I definitely see where I went wrong. I feel like I was rushing because I already had a short bias for the day and I was just waiting for that entry. As you can see, it was making the high, low, lower high, lower low. So I'm pumped, I'm ready. Now switching to the 15-minute. This is around the time where I took the trade. I actually entered on the 5-minute, so we'll dive deeper and take like a closer look. It was at this moment I knew I put that. But no, let's dive in and see it on the 5-minute so I can show y'all what really happened. So you see those 2 red candles back to back. If I was paying closer attention, this was a tall tale sign to not get in. You got the red hammer and then you have an inside candle right next to it, which wasn't a good sign. I jumped in prematurely on, yeah, just right there, and went down a little bit, but then it came right back up and made that blue candle. And that second line is where I exited. I had a tight stop because I was not playing, but this happens sometimes. Like sometimes, a lot of times, the market loves to do fake outs and get people out. It's called liquidity sweep, so yeah, watch out for that. Now on to the winning trade. I sat on my hands for about an hour because I was just determined to wait for my setup. Like as I said in the previous video, I'm waiting for a correction, then an indication, and then y'all know the vibe. So around 11:45 a.m. Eastern time, it made this blue hammer. So okay, I'm thinking it's about to go up a little bit. Let me wait for a rejection. I entered on the 5-minute. I see it's making those lower highs, lower lows, and so on. After it created that blue candle on the 5-minute, but it decided it didn't want to go up anymore, that's when I got in. Then I moved back to the 15-minute and just wrote it down to that last low. Highlighted here, I was able to get over 160 pips. I was so proud of myself because normally I'll have a tight stop loss and I'll get myself out early, but I decided to trust my setup and I just wrote it out to the last low and it worked out in my favor. Moral of the story is stay patient and trust your setup. Yes, my love. So that is what happened today. This is just for me to look back and correct myself, see where I could have improved and what I did well at. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank you for staying tuned for this journey. I'm really excited to becoming a profitable trader. I've been praying for this. I've been manifesting this. And I feel like it's here. It's right fucking here. 2 days in a row. I'm going to set myself a daily drawdown limit. So like I don't overtrade or FOMO or anything like that. So yeah. Let me know if y'all took anything away from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all so much. And I will be posting again tomorrow if I decide to trade tomorrow. So